blackberry.com.
Okay, here we are at Mobile World Congress at the Schad booth. Now, Christian, what is going on here? Just what is this thing? What do you guys do? I don't understand. Pretend I don't know anything, and I don't know anything. Walk us through.
Okay, no problem. Easy thing. You probably don't know what this device is. It is a PLC, a programmable logic controller. So an industry controller. These things, wherever you have technical processes that need to be controlled and monitored and automated, you find these controllers, like in production companies, in logistics, also in building controls. If you look at this fair building, you probably find hundreds of these devices. They control heating, cooling, lighting, building securities, but mainly you find them in production processes. So these devices, they are normally wired, networked, wired to control rooms. This is like the classic situation. You have a room with visualization or SCADA systems that show the technicians what's going on in their plants. And what we've done with Extend 7000, this product that we promote here, is we try to bring as many of the functions from this control room on BlackBerry devices, so that the technicians that today actually spend just a little time in the control room, but most of the time they're out in the field doing maintenance jobs and repair jobs. So when they leave their control room, they don't lose contact to their facilities. So let me just show you just a few functions that we use here. This is a classic PLC. We have this is like a dosing process. And the first thing that I would do here is I would create a critical situation. I would create an alarm message. So once I create the alarm, we get the messages on the mobile devices in a matter of between 2 and 5 seconds. So let's say this is technician number 1. He looks at the message. Mobile coverage here is really slow at this fair.
Yeah, understood.
Okay, we've got it here. So he gets the alarm message the same way that it would come up in a control room, and pretty much at the same time. So now this technician would say, okay, I'm going to take care of the problem. So he just clicks on the message once, and at that point of time, his username is put on the message, and he is assigned to this problem. If the second user that's assigned to the same messaging group tries to take over the message, he instantly gets to know that this message has already been taken care of.
Understood.
And he can see who takes care of that. So this user, it's this message. The next thing he would do, he has a jump label that brings him exactly to the projected area of the visualization where the message came from. You know, again, we're a little slow here. Normally that's a matter of 1 or 2 seconds. So next thing, with just one push of the button, we get back the values live from the PLC. So we get, as you can see here, we have binary values like true and false, and also we have analog values that you can also see here. So as you can see, the system is still on error, and the technician wants to clear the error mode. So he would just push once, and the error is gone on the device.
Understood.
And the second thing he could do was just one push on the button. He could start the whole thing up again. So it's really like a remote control. It's like monitoring, controlling, notification of industrial sites.
So when you sell this now, is it a fairly customized product for each customer, or is it sort of off the shelf? What are they buying?
It's really off the shelf. They buy a software system with integration. The integration process is very straightforward, very easy to do. It's normally 1 to 5 day job to integrate the system. We don't interfere with any existing systems, so none of the existing systems have to be shut down or reset started
Right.
during the process. Very straightforward, very easy to do.
Perfect. I appreciate that. Where can people find out more if they want more information?
Easiest way, www.schadautomation.com.
SchadAutomation.com. Okay, that's perfect. Thank you so much. That was great. Very interesting use of BlackBerry in production in the workplace.
Yeah. Let me just say two more things.
Sure. Yeah. Done.
Two more things. The system is already in use at companies like Volkswagen for car production, at Lufthansa Systems.
Oh, wow.
We use it a lot at airports for monitoring of baggage handling system. For example, in Munich, Cologne, a lot of the large German airports. We also use it we also have government customers like water, sewage plants, energy supplies, stuff like that.
So it's far beyond proof of concept. This is in use, and this is something that a lot of companies could benefit from.
Absolutely.
So they should check it out.
Absolutely.
Okay, that's great. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much.